Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discuss about how to record screen with voice in OBS Studio. So let's start today's video. First of all, we need to start the OBS Studio, and after that open sources and click on plus icon. After then we need to go in display capture option and press OK. And after press OK, we need to go back and do right click on display capture and select transform option. In this select fit screen option for record our whole laptop screen. And for record content audio in screen recording, we need to go in a audio output capture option and select audio output device. After then go back on home screen and go in a audio input capture and select your input device. So you are now ready to record your laptop screen with voice. So thanks for watching our video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We'll meet in a next video with informative topic.